Welcome to Notary Public Underwriter's All Things Notary channel. In this episode, we're going to tell you how to get more notary business. In part 1, how to optimize your marketing. Optimize marketing and online presence. Build a strong online presence. Most people turn to the internet when they need a notary. That's why having a professional website and listing your services on platforms like Google Business Profile is critical. Your website should clearly display your services, pricing, availability, and contact details, including a booking feature so clients can schedule appointments 24/7. Use high-quality images and a brief bio to build trust and make your site more engaging. A Google Business Profile is especially important. It's free and it helps you appear in local search results, especially for terms like Notary Near Me. Be sure to include photos, hours of operation, and a description of your services. Listing your business information, such as your website, address, phone number, and hours on Google Maps and Google Search makes it easy for potential clients to find you. In addition, customers can leave reviews of your services, which also increases visibility and credibility for future clients. Join online notary directories. Online notary directories like the American Society of Notaries are a goldmine for visibility. When creating your profile, don't just list your name and location. Add detailed descriptions of your services, professional headshots, and links to your website or booking platform. This way, customers searching for notaries online can get a sense of who you are and what services you offer before reaching out. Use social media to connect and promote. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X are valuable tools for networking with people and businesses alike. You'll be able to reach a much wider audience using these platforms. When it comes to social media, think about posting testimonials or client success stories. People are much more likely to trust you if they see others vouching for your professionalism. Short informational videos or posts about the importance of notarizing documents, such as wills or powers of attorney, can also engage your audience and help educate potential clients while highlighting your services. Paid social media ads are another cost-effective way to reach people in your area. Even a modest ad budget can boost visibility and generate leads, especially when targeted to your service area or specific industries. Network within your community. Building relationships in your community is a powerful way to grow your notary business. Partnering with local professionals such as real estate agents, title companies, law offices, accountants, and tax preparers can help you land consistent business. Let them know you're available for general notary work or specialized services like loan signings. Also, consider reaching out to small businesses, assisted living facilities, banks, schools, or medical offices that could benefit from having a notary on call. Offering business-to-business services like corporate accounts or volume discounts can make your services more attractive to repeat clients. Attending community events or joining your local chamber of commerce can help you network with potential clients and establish long-term referral sources. Add specialized services. Convenience is everything. Consider expanding your services by becoming certified in other areas, like loan signing agent. Get trained to handle mortgage documents and work with signing services or title companies. Remote online notarization. If your state allows, RON, becoming authorized can help you work with clients anywhere in the state or even nationally. Apostille services. Learn how to assist clients who need documents authenticated for international use. Offering additional services allows you to reach a broader client base and diversify your income. Want more information? Check out our Part 2 video. Notaries are essential professionals, and those who take proactive steps to grow their business often find more opportunities than they expected. With a mix of community engagement, specialized services, and online visibility, you can build a thriving notary business that stands out from the rest. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more notary content, and visit our website for online notary education courses, bonds, insurance, and supplies.